Welcome back to Mudra Learning Series. Krishna, the name that brings a smile to everyone's lips, that fills every heart with joy. Every dancer just loves to sing and dance in praise of Lord Krishna, loves to dance and narrate the tales of his pranks, tales of Krishna as a lover, as a son, as a guide, as a friend. Today we start a series on Lord Krishna, slokas on Lord Krishna and a few of the stories on Lord Krishna. Today's sloka is Kasturi Tilakam, lalaata. You can also show him as the one who herds the cows, the cattle. Kasturi Tilakam lalaata, with the fragrant musk on the beautiful forehead. Kasturi or Tilakam lalaata, palake. Vakshasthale, kaustubham. Kaustubham is considered as the most valuable jewel, diamond, that Lord Krishna adorns on his chest. Vakshasthale, kaustubham, decorating the tip of his nose. Nasaagre, navamouktikam. Karatale, venum, kare, kankanam, holding the flute in his hands and having beautiful bangles adorning his arms. Karatale, venum, kare, kankanam. Sarvaange harichandanam all over his body. He smeared with the fragrant sandalwood paste. Kanthe muktaavali, wearing a necklace of pearls around his neck. Neck, kantham, kanthe muktaavali, a necklace made of pearls stringed together. He wears a necklace around his neck. Gopastree, pariveshtitho, standing in the midst of gopastrees. Gopastrees or gopastrees surrounding him, all around him. Krishna stands in the midst of them. Krishna, the Gopaala, stands in the midst of them.
Tilakam lalaata palake vakshasthale kaustubham nasaagre navamouktikam karatale venum kare kankanam sarvaange harichandanam kalayam kanthe muktaavali gopastree